Recently, I did a poll on my social media platform asking what kind of content you would like to watch on my YouTube channel, Book Tales by Preetha. And the conclusion that I came that you would like to watch videos on book recommendation, book haul. So I thought, unlike every year, even in 2021, new books are coming up both by new and veteran authors. So why not make a video on this particular topic? So in today's video, I will talk about 21 books which are releasing in 2021, which we are awaiting for. This video will be a bit longer, so this video is divided into two sections. Today, I will show you the first part of the Hello and welcome to another new episode of Book Tales by Preetha. I come up with new videos every week. I make content on books, life, personal growth and career. So if you are new to my channel and if you are watching my videos for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. To follow Book Tales by Preetha on other social media platforms, Book Tales by Preetha is on Instagram. The Instagram handle is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. You can join our Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha. To follow me on Twitter, it is Preetha Sharkar 18, and to read my blog, it is preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. Now, without further ado, let's begin. The first book that I will talk in this particular video is called Unfinished. It is written by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. This book, the fans of Priyanka Chopra are awaiting for its release since long. This book talks about her life, born to army doctor parents, brought up both in India and in US, her life before becoming Miss World, then her entry into Bollywood, and today becoming a global personality. It talks about her 20-year-long career in countries like India and USA, where she has worked as a successful actor and producer, losing her beloved father to cancer, to marrying Nick Jonas, to becoming the Goodwill Ambassador for UNICEF. This book talks about how her hard work and dreams and ambition can make you become what Priyanka Chopra Jonas has become today. So definitely we are awaiting for this popular book. Tentatively, this book is releasing in this month of January itself. The Maiden by Alex Michaelides. I hope I'm not butchering the surname. From the New York Times best-selling author of the book, The Silent Patient, comes another book, The Maiden, which is a psychological suspense intertwined with Greek mythology, murder, obsession. A professor of Greek tragedy teaching in Cambridge University, who is looked up by the students as well as the staff, who is famous, so famous that there is a group of female students named the Maiden who adorned this professor, has been accused of a student murder. Do I need to tell anything more about this book? Tentatively, this book is releasing in mid-2021. Awaiting for its The third book is Whereabouts by Jhumpa Lahiri. This new book by Jhumpa Lahiri is the story of a woman, her decision, her conversation, her solitariness in the beautiful Italian city. A rare work of fiction, Whereabouts, first written in Italian, then translated by the author herself, talks about a woman's journey, her past, her present, and where life will take her ahead. Jhumpa Lahiri is my favorite author, and this is one of the books that I'm looking forward to read in 2021 for sure. A mind-bending collection of short stories by internationally acclaimed author Haruki Murakami. Well, I'm talking about the next release by Haruki Murakami, which is called First Person Singular, in which there are 8 short stories which are told from first person perspective by the narrator Haruki Murakami. Are these stories piece of fiction or it's a memoir? To find out that, the readers have to read this new collection of short stories by internationally acclaimed author Haruki Murakami. If you are liking this video, then do not forget to hit the like button. The link of the books that I discuss in my videos are generally given in the description down below. Now in this particular video, I don't know whether I will get the link of the books because these books are not yet released. If I get any of the link, then definitely I will put the link of the books in the description down below. And if you are interested after watching this video of mine to buy any of this book later on in the later part of 2021, then do buy it from the link given in the description down below so that I get small percentage as a commission from Amazon affiliate. The next book is The President's Daughter by former US President Bill Clinton and James Patterson. Matthew Keating, the former president of US and the Navy chief, has staunchly defended his family as he has done with his country. Today, both these defenses are under attack. Now, what will Matthew Keating do? To find out, do read this book, The President's Daughter, by Bill Clinton. Well, that is the reason why I want to read. Well, this book is also by James Patterson, who has formerly written this particular book called The President is Missing. So the desire to read this book increases even more. Looking forward to read this yet another book by popular. The next book that I would like to talk about is one of the most anticipated books of 2021. The book in question is Call Baby by Morgan Jerkins, and this is Morgan Jerkins' debut fiction novel. This is a tale of an enigmatic family where there is betrayal, where there is secrets, where there is magic, and many more things. To know more, do read this book, Call Baby. And, there is too much stare in the literary market for this particular book, and that is why I thought of mentioning this particular book in this video. The next book is Clara and the Sun by Nobel laureate Kazuo Ishiguro. I hope I have pronounced the name correctly. He has been popular for writing books like Never Let Me Go and the book that won him Booker Prize, The Remains of the Day. Clara and the Sun is the first novel by Nobel laureate after winning the Nobel Prize. Clara and the Sun is the story of Clara, an artificial human being who is standing at a store with amazing observational qualities. She observes the people who comes visit the store and the people who walk in the street outside. She has only one hope, that someday a customer will choose and buy her. The Sun is a thrilling book. It makes a basic question to our changing world from the eyes of an unforgettable narrator, and again asks the society a common question. What does it mean to love? Interesting, isn't it? Again, I am looking forward to read this book because I was superbly interested by the blurb, and also I'm looking forward to read this particular author because I have never read him, but I have heard a lot about his books. So this book is definitely in my 2021 reading particular list. Book. Bill Gates have talked about ways, plans, measures to avoid catastrophic climatic change. Bill Gates has spent a decade studying about different causes of climatic change, and most probably this book is a compilation of all of those studies. And Bill Gates again is one of the people whose videos I definitely watch to check out his book recommendation. So why not read a book which has been written by this personality himself. Last Stop by Casey McQuiston, from another New York Times best-selling author of the book Red, White and Royal Blue, comes this new book, The Last Stop, which is a queer romantic tale of Kate and Leopold. It is only this much that I know about this particular book. I haven't read Red, White and Royal Blue, which I'm looking forward to read for a very, very long time. And her new book is also coming. So first I have to read that particular book, and then I will look for this book. And since the last book was extremely popular in the literary market, so I thought when talking about new releases of 2021 or 21 new books that I'm awaiting for release in 2021, why not mention this book in this particular video? How are you liking this particular video? Do mention in the comment section, and which are the books that you are looking forward to buy, read in 2021, which are releasing in 2021. Do mention in the comment section. I would love to hear book recommendation from you people. As New York Times best-selling author and Booker Prize awardee for the book Lincoln in the Bardo, and 10th of December comes a masterclass on what makes great stories work, what they tell about ourselves and the world that we live in today. So these are the 10 out of 21 books that I or we as reader are awaiting for the release in 2021. The remaining part of the video would be uploaded soon. Do watch it. Do share your feedback about this particular video in the comment section below, and do not forget to hit the like button, and to watch my videos regularly, do hit the subscribe button. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye, and have a great day ahead.